told your friend you're not okay? And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why they say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display, on repeat in your brain.
So guys, you definitely want to make sure that the ends are even so that you won't have a bunch of different twists at different lengths. And I also put a bit of product on the spot that will be on the scalp. I like to have it moisturized. I don't want to have the part that will be on my scalp dry. This part right here is not necessary. I just twist it so the hair is out of the way while I'm trying to crochet it, but it's not necessary. Disclaimer, if you guys are not feeling the music, I just needed something different. I'm tired of hearing all the same music on YouTube, so I decided to try something that wasn't copyright. And I don't know how I feel about it, but it's definitely different. One thing that I make sure not to do is to make that rubber band really, really tight, since I do have to slide the hair through. It would suck if it was really tight. It would be really painful, but as you can see, she's having no discomfort. Again, I am making sure that it comes to an even point at the end of the hair. And yep, it's even. So now I am going to go back and untwist that twist that I made. And that's why I was saying it's not very important that you twist it, because I untwist it anyway. So once I untwist it, I am going to try to tighten it. This is when it gets tight. You don't have to worry about tightening it before, because you do want that room to get that crochet hair through. And you can tighten it once you get the hair through. Now I'm going to retwist this piece of hair. Now that I have retwisted that hair, I am going to separate the twist hair into 3 sections, adding that piece of her twisted hair to one of those sections. I try to make those 3 pieces as even as possible. It's not always perfect, but I do try to make it even. And I'm going to go ahead and braid a traditional 3-piece braid. I'm trying to make this as tight to the scalp as possible. Once you notice that you braided a bit, then you're going to go ahead and make those 3 become 2, and you're going to twist. Make sure you have that extra piece of hair that belongs to the client tucked and twist away.
You can never do before, and even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. Try to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray. I know you told your friend you're not tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
We are finally finished, guys, and as you can see, she is tired, my son is passed out, and it is finally over. So now that you have finished the hair and dipped it in hot water, because you have to seal the ends by dipping it in boiling hot water, be very careful with this part. But that's it, guys. Dry that hair and you are completely done. Thanks so much for tuning in. Don't forget to hit that like button. If you have yet to subscribe, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And also remember to hit that bell for notifications for when I drop more videos. Thanks so much for tuning in, and I will see you guys next time. And yes, I did do my hair yesterday, so I did want to show you guys that. I did drop all the information on exactly how I did it, how long it took, and whose company it was by. I'll drop all the information below to let you guys know exactly the process and all the deets. Okay, it is a little sore because I did do the rubber band method. Although I feel as though it does allow your hair to look a lot more fresh, it is sore today. You would think I went to the shop, although I did do it myself. Yeah, my head is sore. So there are ways to prevent it from being as sore as mine is by not doing the rubber band method. But if you want that crisp, new look, you definitely want to go ahead and do the rubber band method to allow it to look a lot more crisp. Okay, and I did show you guys how long it is. It is really long. So all right, guys.